Ganahan ba ka umurang na bakasyon everyday? Tara, kuyugi ko ngani sa Royal Palms Toledo.
Ngani, it's like a resort at your doorstep. Check out this spacious Mediterranean-inspired home. Unahon na to ang Hermoso Grande, which is good for big families. 2-story siya, it has 6 bedrooms and 3 baths, ideal good for extended families. Next, ang Palacios Grande. Kani, perfect for growing families who wants customizable spaces, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, with loads of potential. Then, ang Hermoso, my personal favorite, a single-story home with 3 bedrooms. It has a cozy feel. Perfect po ni siya sa mga retirees looking to settle down in comfort. Nya ang Toriano. For young and starting families, it offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bath in a super efficient layout. And lastly, ang Hidalgo Royal. Kani for singles or couples na gusto og 2-bedroom, cozy, yet complete. All of this comes with tiled floors, built-in cabinets, ang imon lang kinahanglan ang pag-move in. Ang Royal Palms Toledo is a prime location. Few kilometers from Toledo's major spots. It's a perfect setting for family bonding or personal wellness. This community is a perfect investment with flexible financing option.
Maong bisita na dayon or book a tour here ngani sa Royal Palms Toledo and see it for yourself. While Royal Palms Toledo is a good place for you to live in or invest. Kay ngani sa Royal Palms Toledo, every day is like a vacation.